the incubator. I'm just trying to get it set up. I'm trying to make sure that the humidity, which is right here, is between 40 and 50%. And right here is the temperature. And if we were at school, we'd show y'all this every day. It was supposed to be 99.5. So I'm still waiting. It's about 11 o'clock on Tuesday night. I'm still waiting on the temperature to go up and the humidity to go down so I can stick our eggs all in this incubator. And they'll stay in there, I believe it's 21 days. Okay, I'll show you when I go to put them in. I gotta put a mark, an X on one side of each one of them so we can turn them. And we remember when we turn them, if we turn them to the side with the X, then the next time we turn them to the side that doesn't have an X on it. And that way, we turn them kind of like the mom turns them. A couple of times a day. So there's all 30 of our chicken eggs. I'm going to show you our incubator, and now it's plugged in. Everything's inside. We got 26 chicken eggs in there. The humidity's got to stay no higher than 55 probably. We got to get that temperature back up to 99.5, which we'll do that soon. We got this opening over here for all 26 chicken eggs. Now tomorrow morning I'll have to switch them to the other side where we can't see the red eggs. All right, this is our incubator. Look how it's plugged in. That's a little thing that says it's working. It's plugged into my wall over there. And this incubator acts like it's the mama to keep them warm and safe so they will hatch out. All right, we'll show you more tomorrow. Bye.